And I'm going to show you guys this really strange ice cream that's supposed to be flavored like corn soup. This brand is Gari Gari Kun, and it's a pretty popular brand in Japan. They usually have lots of yummy flavors, fruits, soda flavored, those kinds of things. And
Cola! I like cola the best!
a few months ago there was one that's this corn soup. It was so popular, it was sold out everywhere, you couldn't find it, and I just started to see it pop up here in the stores around us. So I thought I'd show you guys what it tastes like. I'm going to make my daughter try it because I don't want to eat it. No, I'm kidding. So, this is what it looks like here, and you can see the silly kid looking like he's eating soup. I don't know. We'll have to see how this tastes.
That's my turn.
You want to try it too, Kate? Okay. You guys can share. Try it and see. Here, can I... Let me see what it looks like.
Ew! It smells like flippin' sauce! Ew! Ew! Man, he likes it. I wanna like try to like bite it.
Okay, let Nene have a bite, Kate. Is it yummy? Is it sweet?
Sweet.
It smells like corn potage, right?
It's blue. Blue. Wow, I want.
You like it, Kate? Does it taste yummy?
Yuck. You need to bite it, Kate. There's little tiny corns. Yeah. Okay, who will want to eat that?
Apparently, Audrey thinks that it tastes terrible. Kate, you like it? Not so good? One of the things people say you can do is you can heat it up and eat it like a real soup, so...
Ew!
Let's heat it up and see what happens. Okay, so that's the popsicle melted there with real corn soup, and you can see there's like real bits and pieces of corn in there. You want to try it, Audrey? Tell us how it tastes. I hope I made it warm enough.
I hope it's not cold. That's yummy.
Is it yummy?
It's a little sweet.
A little sweet, yeah. But it tastes good? You want to try some, Kate? But you love corn soup, Kate.
It's corn soup, Kate. It's corn soup. It's sweet, yummy. Please, Kate, just try. Please. Please, Kate. Please.
Kate's like, no way, dude. I tried it once.
Kate,
I'm not trying it again.
Kate, it's corn soup.
Nope. Did you want to eat any more of it, Audrey? No, not that good, huh? Okay.
You try it. It's hot.
Well, I really hate corn soup, so I don't really want to drink it, but... It's disgusting. It's so sweet. That's disgusting. Oh, okay, that's the most nastiest thing I've ever had in my entire life.